In this video, I will show you on how to send a red packet to user or to someone in Alipay. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Alipay app. Then go ahead and click on message. Then go ahead and select a contact you want to send a red packet to. Then go ahead and click on red packet. Enter the amount of the red packet you want to send to the contact. Having entered the amount, go ahead and hit on OK. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on send red packet. Then enter your payment password to complete the send. Just like so, red packet sent successful. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.